The more you have to offer to your Airbnb guests, the better. However, the question arises on how to handle certain costs, be it cleaning, be it maintenance, be it wood, or any other additional costs or services that you might have to offer your guests. Stay tuned and we'll discover that together. Thank you for your time and attention. In my current work as a Superhost ambassador on Airbnb, I got a most recent question from Erik from Sweden, who asked me a very specific question on how to handle eventual additional costs and the costs of wood. I'm very happy to answer this question, and I will do so very concisely. When it comes to cleaning, there is a very simple principle and a very simple function called cleaning fee. I will demonstrate how to add and manage your cleaning fee right now. We're going to go on the menu and we're going to go to our listings. If you have several listings, you're going to find your primary listing or the one that you're going to change these preferences at. You're going to go to pricing and availability, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to find additional charges. This is the section that you're looking for and you want to be here. If this is in Swedish, don't worry, the categories are the same. If you see that I'm here, the same category and outlook is the same in Swedish. So make sure you find additional charges, and here you will find a cleaning fee. You can go and edit your cleaning fee, and you can see that you have amount per stay, which rest assured is throughout the duration of the guest's stay. It's not per day, it's not per diem, it is per stay. For example, if you're a big villa or a castle or a hotel, you might want to charge a larger cleaning fee, especially if you're doing the cleaning on your own. If you are, however, a company or a business that has cleaning fee or maintenance done by an external party, this is the fee that you want so that you can pay them off. And this is a really fantastic way of doing it. You can also do this for short-term cleaning fee. You can add a lower fee than this one, and that is the only way the algorithm is going to allow it. For me, this is already predetermined. You can have the pet fee. You can also have the pet fee, the linen fee, which is also the bed sheets and the similar that you give to your guests, such as towels or similar. If you want those to be charged, you can do so here. Resort fee. I believe this is the answer to the question that Erik asked, which can be added here as a resort fee. It doesn't have to be, you can also add it as a management or community fee, but you want to make sure that the description is available to guests and that you can also either have a fixed price or you can have percentage. It's up to you. However, if you are a listing that has a high price, you might wanna set percentage because it works better for you. And if you want to make sure you earn a consistent amount, make sure you put a fixed amount and then you don't have to worry about it. You can do the same thing in the management fee because you're the one managing it, or if you have a co-host who manages your account, you can do the same thing, or charge, that is, pay your co-hosts separately, and I will speak about that in a separate video. And very important, you have an extra guest fee. I spoke about this in one of my videos, but I will repeat this gladly. Extra guest fee applies if you, for example, host 2 guests on your listing and the guests want to be 3 of them. So they will ask you and that will usually pop up in the reservation, but also make sure you always communicate that with your guests. So when they come and where they're meant to come, you can ask how many of you are there, and then if they say that there are 3, automatically this amount that is designated here that you go and set yourself in the edit section will be added automatically to the total booking fee. So you don't even have to worry about it. But make sure that you always communicate this and make sure that one of your primary questions to your guests is how many of you are coming, just to make sure. You can also have the weekend nightly price and the duration of the trip. Sometimes you can have a minimum stay of 1 night, a maximum of 7, and discounts for these. Whatever the additional cost is, you can find a way to either negotiate it or add it into the price. You can also do this during the negotiation phase, and I'm going to show you how. If you go to your messages, and if I select one of my upcoming guests, and I'm going to try to find one here, then you are going to see that if I click on the chat box and I go into the reservation details, I can go into booking details and I can find the function called change reservation. If I click here, while explaining to my guest in the chat and in an orderly and respectful manner why I'm asking for this extra cost, if that is necessary. And by the way, this can also be done upon the reservation and upon the check-in and after the guests have checked out. I do, however, strongly suggest that you do this during the negotiation phase, during the reservation, or rather before the booking is confirmed or upon booking, because be reminded that you receive your payment upon your guests checking in. Now, when you're here, you can see the accommodation cost and you can change this amount. So if amount for me is 4,100 and I want 5,000, for example, if I need the costs of wood or gas or electricity or something, I can do this and I can send the request. So as you can see, the price difference is 900 kronas, and this is what the guest pays, including fees and taxes. And this is where you can also see the price difference displayed after, of course, the 3% service fee by Airbnb. So make sure that you add this kind of cost and that you communicate directly with your guest of what it's about, what purpose it serves, and make sure that they're on board with it. Make sure you know how to communicate it, and make sure that, of course, guests are comfortable with it, as are you. Thank you for watching this video. Please check the others on the channel, like, subscribe, and please stay tuned for more. Thanks and have a good day. Bye.